Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing a cookie challenge.
And how we do this, it's kind of like a Pop-Tart challenge. Don't you guys think so?
Yeah.
And so we'll have all these different cookies. They'll be blindfolded. We don't really have a good blindfold, so we used a shirt with long sleeves.
It's mine. It's my soccer shirt.
So let's get started. The first person wearing a blindfold, we'll tell by doing rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Do it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, Gracie's gonna go first. Let's get her blindfolded. Can you close your eyes? All right, so we're gonna get her blindfolded. And
just put it around my eyes and then I'll tie it.
We're gonna get blindfolded and we'll see you when we're ready. Okay guys, so Gracie's blindfolded.
Hey, where's my cup? I don't know where it is.
It's right in front of you. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what the first round is. Alright, here's the first round. Alright. Here's the first round. Alright, let's see if she can guess it right.
I'm a believer.
Here.
What is it? Can I eat it?
Yeah, go ahead. Alright, what do you think it is? You could be our background music, so you could like make music.
I think this is an Oreo.
What kind?
Like a vanilla in the middle and chocolate right here and chocolate right here.
Okay, but how stuffed is it? It's kind of, feel it. You can feel it. And you can take another bite. You can use the whole cookie. You get one more guess. You get two guesses.
I think it is a Big Mac.
Huh. So is it, do you think it's regular, double stuffed, or mega stuffed?
I think it's one stuffed.
So
Actually,
double or what?
one stuffed.
So double stuffed?
No, she's saying regular.
You're wrong.
Can I take it off?
Yes. This is what it.
No, go through the other ones.
No, we're doing rounds. All right. This was the double stuffed Oreo.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, Andrew, it's your turn.
Boom, dynamite.
All right. I guess we'll see you when we're set up to do Andrew. Okay, guys. So Andrew's up now. Here's the cookie we're gonna be doing. Oh, here's the cookie we're gonna be doing. All right, let's give it to him. Here you go. All right, what do you think?
Chips Ahoy.
With what in it?
What?
With what in it?
Chocolate chip.
And no. I'll give you a hint. Since you can't get it. It's something chocolate. With the chocolate chips. Can you go a little quieter, Gracie?
Hershey.
Hershey what?
Hershey bars.
No. Alright, you get one more guess. Alright, give up. Alright, it was. You can take off your blindfold. It was Chips Ahoy with chocolate chips and M&Ms.
Dang it. I closed my ears so I couldn't hear it.
All right. I'll see you when Gracie is set up for the next round. Okay, guys. So Gracie's up next. For this round, I'm not gonna tell her what the cookie is at the end. I'm just gonna show her the package so Andrew doesn't know, and hopefully she doesn't guess the last one. All right, let me show you guys what it is.
I'm ready for the cookie.
All right, so this is what it is. Okay.
What is this? It's gonna feel weird.
We're having technical difficulties. Okay, here it is. Here's your cookie. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Eat it! We're quiet. What do you think?
Like, it's the hardest one.
What do you
I
think?
feel like it's like a cinnamon with icing in it. Chocolate right here, chocolate.
So you think it's cinnamon with chocolate? So you think these two sides are chocolate and the middle cinnamon?
Yeah.
Is that your final guess?
Yes.
Alright. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You can take your blindfold off. I'm just going to show you the packaging so Andrew doesn't know what it was. Okay. Alright. So you guys want to set up for Andrew's last round. Alright, so for this round, he's going to be doing the same as Gracie. This.
Baby shark.
Alright, let's give it to him.
Thank you. Dun-dun, dun-dun.
Alright, let's see what he thinks.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Mama shark,
What do you think?
Mama
What do you think it is?
Daddy, Mama shark.
Okay.
Daddy shark, Daddy shark, Daddy shark, Daddy shark.
Lower the volume, Gracie.
The top
Grandma
that's
shark,
normally chocolate
Yeah.
is vanilla,
Okay.
and the middle is cinnamon.
That's basically correct.
Woo! Cookie Monster got it.
This is what it was. The cinnamon bun Oreo.
Can I unfold
Yeah, you can
my
take it off.
unfolder?
Alright, so see you when. Correction, Gracie and Andrew both have to do another round. So we'll see you when they do those.
Music has been turned off. Music annoying.
Alright, so now you know music is turned off.
Annoying.
So for Gracie's last round, for real, she's going to be doing, Andrew did this, she's going to be doing this one. Alright, let's give it to her.
Give me this cookie. I'm ready for my cookie. I'm ready for my cookie.
There you go.
Thank you.
Put your head down. You're trying to peek. No peeking.
I'm looking right at the spider web. How much spider did you catch? Top, top. think this is a Chips Ahoy.
Okay.
No hard. It's chocolate chips.
Okay. And what?
Some M&Ms. I think like the M&Ms.
Ding! You can take it off. It was Chips Ahoy Candy Blast, which was M&M's. All right, let's get set up for Andrew's next round. The last and final round. Okay, guys, so Andrew's doing his final round.
Music has been turned off. Music is so annoying that people hate it. Good night.
Here's Andrew's. Right here. Okay, let's give it to him.
Where are you? Okay. Oh. It's an Oreo. Chocolate on the top.
Okay.
And white icing.
How stuffed is it?
A lot.
Like
Mega.
regular, mega, or
Mega.
double? Is that your final answer?
No, wait, double.
Ding! It's double stuffed Oreos. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Take your blindfold off.
Guys, I'm still not done with this cookie.
And see you when we finish up.
Hey guys, look at my fancy hair.
Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. Make sure what cookies do you like out of the 3 of those cookies?
Yeah, and guys, make sure to comment down below, ring that bell, and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
And who do you think won?
Yeah, comment down below.
And make sure you check out our other videos.
Oh, guys, and happy Columbus Day.
Happy Columbus Day tomorrow. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.